How to see archive stories on Facebook. In today's video, I'll show you how to see archive stories on Facebook in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and go to Facebook website, or you can also go to Facebook app and log into your account. Now, what you need to do is tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Here, besides edit profile, simply tap on the three dots, and here you can find an option that says archive. Tap on it. Now simply tap on story archive. As you can see here, you'll find your story archive over here. As you can see here, you'll be able to find all your saved stories. Now if you don't see a story archive, it might be turned off. Here's how to enable it. In the stories archive section, tap on the three dots and simply go to the section and toggle on save to archive to automatically save future stories. Only you can see your archive stories, but you can reshare or download them anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to see your archive stories on Facebook.